That's the lobster. Sucks.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Buzz Cooks. Today we're doing poor man's lobster. This is pretty amazing. You can use any white fish and make it taste like lobster. It's crazy, I know. We're going to boil a pot of water, and I've got a quarter cup of salt, a half a cup of sugar. I'm going to put that into the boiled water and cook that until it's completely dissolved. Then I've got the juice from one lemon that we're going to add to this water. And then I've got 3 good-sized pieces of cod I'm going to put into the boiling water. And once that codfish rises to the surface, it's done. You're going to remove it, top it off with a little bit of paprika, serve with melted butter, and if you didn't know better, you would think you're eating lobster tail. It's crazy, but give it a try. Poor man's lobster. All right, check it out, make it. It's mind-blowing. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Come back for more recipes. But trust me on this one. Give it a shot. You'll be freaky deaky. It's crazy. Lobster using codfish. What next?